Hello everyone. Today we will start with a fresh topic of data structure and algo. Rotate matrix by 90 degree in clockwise direction. So the first question comes to our mind. How to know that it is rotated in a clockwise direction? Let's say here a person is standing and pushing this matrix from the left. So what will happen? This matrix will be falling towards right direction, so that the top numbers will come at right, the second row will be at second right, likewise the third row will be the second right and the fourth row will be at left side. And when we straighten up the number, we will get 1 2 3 4 at right side, 5 6 7 8 at the second right, as the whole matrix was fallen towards right. Likewise, we will get for third and fourth also. So in this question, we have to know how to drive this matrix from our original matrix. This is 4 cross 4. And output matrix is also 4 cross 4. So how to do this? Let's take the original matrix first. And the first step will be to transpose the matrix. As in, the first row will be at first column. Likewise, the second row, second column, third row, third column, and the fourth row, fourth column. So the first step is to transpose the matrix, and the second step to reverse the rows which we got after transposing the matrix. Here we have 1 5 9 13. We just need to reverse the numbers so that we will get 13 first, then 9, then 5 and 1. Similarly, we will reverse the numbers from second row, third row and fourth row. And this is our output matrix. So here we will know how to transpose the matrix, and then we have to know how to reverse the numbers from the row after transposing the matrix. So let's start with how to transpose the matrix. Here we have algorithm, but before that we should index the numbers. And I is denoting rows and J is our column. I will run from 0 to len of A. Len of A is 4. So I will run from 0, 1, 2 to 3. And J will be running from I to len of A. So first, as I is 0, J will be 0. So here we will have I is equal to 0 and J is equal to 0. Let's draw the output matrix also. So the operation we will apply here will be A00 will be swapped with first A00, as I is also 0 and J is also 0. So this one will come here. Now J will be 1. So here we will have J is equal to 1. So A01 will be swapped with A10. That is, this 2 will be swapped with 5. So here we will have 5 and 2. Then J will be 2. So that we will have A02 will be swapped with A20. This 3 will be swapped with 9. So 9 and 3. Then J is equal to 3. So that A03 will be swapped with A30. So this 4 will be swapped with 13. So with this, we have covered all the first row elements and the first column element. Now I will be 1 and J will also be 1, because we have covered all the 0th rows element. So J is equal to 1 now. So first will be A1 1, which is the diagonal element. Transpose of diagonal element is always the same. So 6 will be having here. Now j is equal to 2. So here we will have A12 is equal to A21, which is 7 is swapped with 10. So here we will have 10 and 7 swapped with each other. Then j is equal to 3. So A13 will be swapped with A31. That is, this 8 will be swapped with 14. With this, we have covered all the second row and second column. Now we are left with 2 by 2 matrix. So I will be 2 now, and j will also be starting from 2. Will be 2. So it will have the diagonal element A22. So diagonal element will be same as it is. Then comes j is equal to 3. A23 will be swapped with A32. 12 will be swapped with 15. Now we are left with only 16. Now I will be heading towards 3. So I is equal to 3 and j will also be 3. And the transpose of diagonal elements will be as it is. So we got the transposed matrix of original matrix. Now the second step, reversing the transpose matrix. Here is our algorithm. Let's understand this with a small example. Here I have been given an array which has the following number 9, 2, 4, 8, 3, 7. And we need to reverse this array elements. Let's say n is the total number of elements, whatever the number of elements will be. So I'll start with I. If my first element is I can say the last element to be total elements minus I, right? So we will swap these two so as to reverse the number. After reversing the number, we got 7 and 9. Now I will be pushed forward similar with n minus I, and we will swap these two numbers. With this, I will be pushed forward and n minus I will be one step back, and then we will swap these two numbers. So you have seen we have reversed the whole array with this strategy. And if you have seen this closely, we have just run this number of elements, which is the half of complete array. We have just worked on first 3 elements so as to swap with last 3 elements. Simply this funda we will be applying on reversing the rows. Here we will be working on rows, and I's are this and J's. We will be working just half of the length of elements. N is 4 over here, as we have matrix from 0 to 3. N by 2 is, so I will be running from 0 to 1. And J will be running throughout, as it is running for all the rows 0 to 3. So let's start with I is equal to 0 and J is equal to 0, so that we will get A00 will be swapped with A03, the last element. So this 1 will be swapped with 13. Let's make the output matrix also. It will be A00. A001 will be swapped with 13. So here we will have 13 and 1. Then J will be incremented with 1, and here we will have A01 will be swapped with A13. So this 2 will be swapped with 14. Let's circle all the swapped elements. So here we will have 14 and 2. Then for j is equal to 2, we will have A02 will be swapped with A23. So this 3 will be swapped with 15. Similarly, for j is equal to 3, A03 will be swapped with, so that this 4 will be swapped with 16. With this, we have covered all the 0 and the last element. We have only worked with a 0th element, the first column element. Now we will be going for I is equal to 1. So for I is equal to 1, we will start with j is equal to 0. And here we will have A01 will be swapped with A02. That is 5 will be swapped with 9. Likewise, for A11 will be swapped with A12. 6 will be swapped with 10. Then j is equal to 2. A21 will be swapped with A22. The 7 will be at 11th place and 11 will be at 7th place. For j is equal to 3, we will have A31 will be swapped with A32. So that we will get 8 will be swapped with 12. And we got the desired output. Now let's combine the both concepts and run the program on PyCharm. Here I have already made the file with rotate matrix, and here I'll define the function with rotate matrix, and we will take the name of the matrix as A. So first we will know how to transpose the matrix, that is row to column. So I'll write transpose. So the same concept for I in range from 0 to len of A, and we will have the second loop for columns for j in range from I to len of A, and then we will swap both, that is Aij will be swapped with Aji. So first let us check whether this concept is working or not. So I'll return A here itself, and here I have taken 3 by 3 matrix, and I'll print the function here. So let's run the program, and here we got the row as column. So till now it's working fine. Now we need to reverse the row elements. So I'll write reverse, and here we will apply for I in range. This loop should work for the half of the elements. So I'll write n by 2, where n is the len of A. Then we will apply for j in range till n, and then we will swap the element. Aj will be swapped with Aj, and the last element n minus 1 minus I. As for Python, it will be 1 less than. So this element will be swapped with the first column elements. So I'll write with comma. Now instead of returning here, we will return here at the last of the program. So let's run the program, and this time we will take the same 4 by 4 matrix so that we can match our output. So let's check, it's the same element. and we need output as this. So for this, I'll run the program, and here we got 13951, the same as this. So this is our output. This is how we can rotate the matrix in clockwise direction. Hope you liked the video. So please give a like to my video and don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.